Great point. Let's dive deeper.
Absolutely, I'm all in.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Emma English Conversation. How are you today? Yeah, feeling good? Awesome. Today, Tom and I have something special for you. 200 question and answer exchanges about introductions and daily routine. Perfect for beginners and intermediate learners who want to practice real general conversation. We'll go slowly, repeat key phrases, add natural expressions, and pause so you can repeat after us. This is part 1, questions 1 to 100. Part 2 coming next. Ready, Tom?
Yes, let's do this. I love talking about myself. Haha.
Okay, let's start with introductions. Hi, what's your name?
Hi, my name's Tom. What's yours?
Nice to meet you, Tom. Where are you from?
Nice to meet you too. I'm from London, England.
Oh, cool. How old are you?
I'm 28 years old.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yeah, I have one younger sister.
What's her name?
Her name's Lucy.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Do you have a job?
Yes, I work as a graphic designer.
Where do you work?
I work at a small company in the city center.
What do you do in your free time?
I like playing football, watching movies, and hanging out with friends.
What's your favorite food?
Pizza, definitely.
Great start. Let's continue. Can you tell me about your family?
Sure. My parents live in Manchester. My dad is a teacher, and my mom is a nurse.
Do you live with your parents?
No, I live in a small apartment with a roommate.
What's your roommate's name?
His name's Alex.
Where do you usually have breakfast?
At home, in the kitchen.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
Coffee and toast, or cereal if I have time.
What time do you usually wake up?
Around 7 a.m. on weekdays.
Do you hit the snooze button?
Yes, sometimes twice.
What do you do first after waking up?
I check my phone. Bad habit.
Do you take a shower in the morning?
Yes, every morning.
How do you get to work?
I take the underground, the tube.
Good. Now more daily routine. What time do you usually leave home?
Around 8:15.
How long does it take to get to work?
About 30 minutes.
What do you do during the commute?
I listen to music or podcasts.
What time do you start work?
At 9 a.m.
Do you have a lunch break?
Yes, from 12 to 1.
Where do you usually have lunch?
At a cafe near the office, or I bring a sandwich.
What do you usually have for lunch?
A salad or a wrap, trying to be healthy.
What time do you finish work?
Usually at 5:30 p.m.
Do you work overtime sometimes?
Yeah, once or twice a week.
What do you do after work?
I go to the gym or meet friends.
Let's keep going. What time do you usually have dinner?
Around 7 or 8 p.m.
Do you cook dinner yourself?
Sometimes, but I also order takeaway.
What's your favorite takeaway?
Indian curry.
Do you watch TV in the evening?
Yes, I usually watch Netflix.
What kind of shows do you like?
Comedy series or crime dramas.
What time do you go to bed?
Around 11 p.m.
Do you read before bed?
Sometimes, but mostly I scroll on my phone.
How many hours do you sleep?
About 7 hours, if I'm lucky.
What do you do on weekends?
I sleep in, then meet friends or play football.
Do you like weekends?
Love them. Best part of the week.
Okay, more introduction questions. What's your full name?
Thomas James Wilson.
Do you have a nickname?
Yeah, my friends call me Tommy.
What languages do you speak?
English and a little Spanish from school.
Are you a morning person or night owl?
Definitely a night owl.
What's your favorite color?
Blue.
Do you have any pets?
No, but I want a dog.
What's your favorite season?
Summer, because of the weather.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love it.
Where did you go on your last holiday?
To Spain last summer.
How long was the holiday?
2 weeks.
Halfway through part 1. What do you usually do on Sundays?
I have a big breakfast, then relax or go for a walk.
Do you drink coffee or tea?
Coffee. Strong black coffee.
How many cups a day?
2 or 3.
Do you exercise regularly?
I try 3 times a week.
What kind of exercise?
Gym or football with friends.
Do you have a favorite sport to watch?
Football. I'm a big Arsenal fan.
What do you do to relax?
Listen to music or play video games.
Are you an introvert or extrovert?
A bit of both, but mostly extrovert.
What's your phone wallpaper?
A photo from my last holiday.
Do you use social media a lot?
Yeah, Instagram and TikTok.
More daily routine. What time do you usually get home from work?
Around 6:30 p.m.
Do you stop at the supermarket on the way home?
Sometimes if I need food.
What do you do when you get home?
Change clothes, make tea, relax.
Do you call your family often?
Yes, I call my mom every weekend.
What's your favorite day of the week?
Friday, because weekend is coming.
Do you set an alarm on weekends?
No way, I sleep in.
What's the first thing you do on Saturday morning?
Make coffee and watch YouTube.
Do you go shopping on weekends?
Yes, usually grocery shopping.
Do you clean your apartment on weekends?
I try, but not always.
What time do you usually wake up on Sundays?
Around 10 a.m.
Introductions again. Where were you born?
in Manchester, England.
How long have you lived in London?
About 5 years.
Do you like living in the city?
Yes, but it's expensive.
What's your favorite thing about London?
The parks and the nightlife.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, his name's Mike. We've known each other since school.
How often do you meet your friends?
Once or twice a week.
What do you usually do with friends?
Go to the pub or watch football.
Are you a coffee or tea person?
Coffee. Tea is too weak for me.
Do you like cooking?
Not really, but I can make pasta.
What's your signature dish?
Spaghetti carbonara.
Almost to 100. Do you prefer mornings or evenings?
Evenings. I'm more energetic then.
What do you wear to work?
Smart casual. Jeans and shirt.
Do you wear a watch?
No, I use my phone.
What's in your bag right now?
Wallet, keys, headphones, laptop.
Do you take public transport or drive?
Public transport. No car.
How do you spend your evenings on weekdays?
Gym, dinner, TV, bed.
Do you have any evening routines?
Yes, skincare and read a bit.
What book are you reading now?
A Thriller by Joe Nesbo.
Do you listen to music every day?
Yes, all the time.
What's your favorite music genre?
Indie rock.
Do you play any instruments?
I used to play guitar.
What's your dream job?
Maybe owning my own design studio.
Are you happy with your current job?
Yeah, most days.
What do you want to do this weekend?
Meet friends and relax.
Do you make plans in advance?
Sometimes, but I also like spontaneous things.
What's your typical Monday morning like?
Tired, coffee, rush to work.
Do you ever work from home?
Yes, 2 days a week.
What do you wear on work from home days?
Sweatpants and hoodie.
What time do you have your last meal?
Around 8 p.m.
Do you snack at night?
Guilty. Sometimes crisps while watching TV.
Wow, 100 questions done.
That was fun.
Yes, perfect practice for introductions and daily routine. In part 2, we'll do questions 101 to 200, more variety.
Don't miss it.
Your homework. Pick 10 questions, answer them in the comments about your life.
Do you prefer summer or winter?
Summer. I love warm weather.
What do you wear in summer?
T-shirts and shorts.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, photography and gaming.
How did you get into photography?
My dad gave me a camera when I was 15.
What do you take photos of?
Streets, people, landscapes.
Do you use Instagram for your photos?
Yes, I post quite often.
How many followers do you have?
About 2,000.
Do you edit your photos?
Yes, with Lightroom.
What's your favorite app?
Probably Spotify.
How much time do you spend on your phone?
Too much. Maybe 3-4 hours a day.
Daily routine again. What do you do when you can't sleep?
Watch YouTube or read.
Do you drink water when you wake up?
I try, but usually coffee first.
Do you make your bed every morning?
Most days, yes.
How long do you spend getting ready?
About 30 minutes.
Do you wear cologne or perfume?
Yes, every day.
What's your favorite brand?
Creed, but expensive.
Do you check the weather every morning?
Yes, always.
What do you do if it's raining?
Take an umbrella or stay inside.
Do you pack lunch for work?
Sometimes, but usually buy.
What's in your work bag?
Laptop, notebook, water bottle.
More personal questions. Are you a cat or dog person?
Dog person, 100%.
What's your dream pet?
A golden retriever.
Do you like sweet or salty food?
Salty, crisps over chocolate.
What's your favorite drink?
Cold beer on weekends.
Do you drink alcohol often?
Only socially.
What's your favorite restaurant?
A local Italian place.
How often do you eat out?
Once or twice a week.
Do you prefer eating at home or out?
At home, more relaxed.
Who cooks better, you or your mom?
My mom, no competition.
What food did you hate as a child?
Broccoli.
Weekend routine. Do you go out on Friday nights?
Usually yes, pub with friends.
What time do you get home on Fridays?
Late, midnight or later.
Do you feel tired on Saturdays?
A little, but coffee helps.
Do you ever stay in on weekends?
Yes, sometimes I need a quiet day.
What do you do on quiet days?
Watch series, play games, nap.
Do you have any weekend traditions?
Sunday roast with family sometimes.
What's a typical Sunday roast?
Chicken or beef, potatoes, vegetables, gravy.
Do you help with cooking on Sundays?
I do the dishes.
What time do you eat Sunday dinner?
Around 3 p.m.
Do you feel sad on Sunday evenings?
A bit. Sunday blues.
Back to introductions. What's your star sign?
Scorpio.
Do you believe in horoscopes?
Not really, but fun to read.
What's your favorite movie?
The Shawshank Redemption.
How often do you go to the cinema?
Once a month maybe.
Do you prefer cinema or home watching?
Cinema. Big screen.
What snacks do you have at the cinema?
Popcorn and cola.
Sweet or salty popcorn?
Sweet.
Do you talk during movies?
No, that's annoying.
What's your favorite actor?
Tom Hardy.
Have you met any celebrities?
No, but I saw one once in London.
Evening routine. What do you do before dinner?
Quick workout or shower.
Do you eat in front of TV?
Guilty, most nights.
What's your comfort food?
Mac and cheese.
Do you wash dishes right after eating?
I try, but sometimes leave them.
What time do you start winding down?
Around 10 p.m.
Do you have a bedtime routine?
Brush teeth, skincare, phone off.
Do you use blue light glasses?
Yes, in the evening.
How do you choose what to watch?
Recommendations or trending.
Do you fall asleep watching TV?
Sometimes wake up at 3 a.m.
What's the last thing you do before sleep?
Set alarm and say goodnight to my cat. Wait, I don't have one.
Almost done. Are you a planner or spontaneous?
Mix. I like plans, but also surprises.
Do you use a paper planner or app?
Google Calendar.
What's your biggest time waster?
Social media scrolling.
Do you have any morning motivation tricks?
Good playlist and cold shower.
What's your favorite breakfast on weekends?
Full English breakfast.
Bacon or sausages?
Both.
Do you drink orange juice?
Yes, with breakfast.
What's your coffee order?
Flat white, no sugar.
Do you ever skip breakfast?
Only if I'm late.
What's your go-to quick breakfast?
Yogurt and fruit.
Do you take vitamins?
Vitamin D in winter.
How do you stay healthy?
Exercise and try to eat vegetables.
Do you track steps?
Yes, on my phone.
What's your average daily steps?
Around 8,000.
Do you walk or run?
Walk mostly.
What's your favorite walking route?
Along the river.
Do you listen to anything while walking?
Podcasts or audiobooks.
What was the last book you read?
Atomic Habits.
Did you like it?
Yes, very useful.
Do you take notes when reading?
Sometimes highlights.
Final 20. What's one habit you want to start?
Reading 20 minutes every night.
What habit do you want to stop?
Late night scrolling.
Do you have a morning journal?
No, but thinking about it.
What are you grateful for today?
Good friends and health.
Do you say thank you a lot?
I try to.
What makes you happy?
Good food, good company, good weather.
What's your biggest goal right now?
Save money for travel.
Where do you want to travel next?
Japan.
How long will you stay?
2 or 3 weeks.
Will you travel alone or with someone?
With friends.
Do you plan trips far in advance?
Yes, I like planning.
What's the best trip you've had?
Road trip in Italy.
Do you prefer beach or city holidays?
Both, but city more.
What's your packing style?
Last minute. Always forget something.
Do you check in online?
Always.
Window or aisle seat?
Window.
What do you do on flights?
Watch movies or sleep.
Do you get jet lag?
A little.
What time do you usually feel most productive?
Late morning.
What's one thing you love about your daily routine?
Coffee in the morning and freedom in the evening.
Yay! 200 questions complete.
That was a lot, but fun.
Perfect practice for small talk, introductions, and describing your day. Your homework. Answer 10 questions about your life in the comments. Any numbers.
We'll read them all.
Like both parts, subscribe for more conversation practice. Thank you so much for joining us. Keep talking, keep practicing. You're amazing.